In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get list ID ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the unique identifier for any list in your workspace, which is handy for integrations, automations, and support requests. Start by opening ClickUp in your web browser and head into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the space that contains the list you want. Spaces are the top-level areas that organize your work, so choose the one where your projects or folders live. Inside that space, navigate to the specific list you're working with. If your space uses folders, open the relevant folder first, then click the list name beneath it. Make sure you're actually viewing the list itself. Your task view should show the list's tasks and details, not just a folder or the space overview. With the list open, the easiest way to find its ID is to look at your browser's address bar. Click once in the address bar to highlight the full URL so you can see it clearly. The list ID is the number at the very end of that URL. It's usually a long string of digits that follows the list portion of the link. If you see extra characters like a trailing slash or a question mark for filters or sorting, the list ID is the final number right before those extras. In other words, focus on the last block of digits at the end of the link. Once you've located that number, select just the digits and copy them. You can press Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows, or right-click and choose Copy. That copied value is your list ID. Paste it wherever you need it. Into your integration settings, a note, or a workflow document, so you have it ready for future use. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see a number at the end of the URL, double-check that you're actually inside a list view and not on a folder or space page. Switching directly into the specific list will refresh the URL and reveal the ID. Also, if your workspace uses multiple tabs or views, confirm you're copying from the tab that shows the list you want. That's all there is to it. Open ClickUp. Go into the right space, click the list, look at the address bar, grab the number at the end, and copy it. Keep that ID handy for any tools or processes that require it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.